Okay, graded. Today we will do question number 10, part A. You can see in part A, there are two right angle triangle as you can see. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to find the values of unknown figures. So what are the unknown sides? It's b centimeter is unknown, or you can see the hypotenuse 2a. A is unknown, and it's this one, this a is also unknown. And this side is given that is 27, this side is 36, and this side is 60 centimeter. Okay. What we have to do, we have to find the values of unknown. So first of all, select this right angle triangle. And why we choose this right angle triangle? Because two sides are given and we have to find only one side. Okay. हम वही right angle triangle choose करेंगे जिसकी हमें two sides given होंगी, so we can easily find the value of one side through using Pythagoras theorem. So write the first line of description using Pythagoras theorem on the right angle triangle. This is the same line which we are using in each and every question. With वन साइड 27 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, हमने इस राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल को क्या नाम दे दिया कि ऐसा राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल वी चूज दैट वन साइड इज 27 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, बिगर स्मॉलर ये वर्ड हम यूज नहीं कर सकते थे बिकॉज बिल्कुल इरेगुलर फिगर है, तो वी यूज 27 सेंटीमीटर वाला हम we choose the right angle triangle with one side is 27 centimeter. Okay, it's clear. Now come to the first part. By using Pythagoras theorem, it is very simple. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular opposite side square plus base square. So what is the value of hypotenuse? The value of hypotenuse is 2a and a. ये split करके दिए value. Okay, you can add them. 2a plus a square come from the formula. The value of perpendicular side, perpendicular और opposite side इसको ठीक है opposite side कहते हैं, perpendicular कह रहे हैं आप. So this is given is 36 centimeter. So square come from the formula. Now 27. 27 is the base and we have to take a square according to the formula. Now solve to the second step. Okay, the second step, first of all solve the bracket. 2a plus a becomes 3a square as it is, and let's square of the 36. 36 multiplied by 36, it becomes 1296. And then 27 square means 27 multiplied by 27, you get 729. Okay. Now come to the third step. Third step is very simple. क्या किया इसमें, आपने इनको ऐड किया है. ठीक है, ऐड करने के बाद आपका आंसर आएगा okay, let's take a square of 3. The square of 3 is 9. 3 3s are 9 and square of a is a square, and add these two terms you get 2025. Now in this step what we have to do, we have to find the value of a, so just move the 9. 9 यहाँ क्या हो रहा है, that is multiplying, so on the opposite side of the divide on the opposite side of the is equal to, it will be divide. So 2025 divided by 9, use your calculator and divide it, so you get 225. So it is the value of a square. Now what we have to do, the same step we have to follow, take a root on the both sides. So we take root on both sides. So using calculator, press root of 225 is 15. So what is the value of a? The value of a is 15. Got it? Now what we are doing, actually we have to find the value of this side. Okay, b. You can write here this 15. Okay, this is 15 centimeters. So you can write this hypotenuse is 15. ये वाली side, इस वाले right angle triangle की जो hypotenuse है वो है 15. ठीक है. Now come to the point, we have to find the b. Similar, using Pythagoras theorem on the right angle triangle with one side a centimeter. Okay. Now which right angle triangle we are taking? इसकी एक side a centimeter है. Let's see the diagram again. See this triangle, this right angle triangle. ठीक है. B जो है that is hypotenuse, right? And a centimeter, and this side is 60 centimeter. We select this right angle triangle. ठीक है. So through which we can find the value of this, because this side value is given and this side value is given. Let's see. A की वैल्यू हमने फाइंड करी है, दैट इज 15 सेंटीमीटर. So by using Pythagoras theorem with the right angle triangle with one side A, ठीक है, this is a descriptive line. Now formula is hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus base square. So what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is B centimeter is given. So just write B square, and base is given. Oh, yeah, opposite side is given, that is A. So just write A square, and 60 is given, that is 60 square. Okay. What you have to do? Put the value of A. What is the value of A? The value of A is 15. I directly take the square. You can add one more step over here. Okay. Put the value of A and write the square, and 60 square. Now solve. What is the square of 15? 15 multiplied by 15 is 225. And what is the square of 60? 60 multiplied by 60 is 3600. Now simple step, add them and taking root on the both sides. Take a square root using calculator, that will be 61.8. Hope it's clear to you. It's very simple. Okay, let's see your homework. Part B is your homework. In part C, there is two right angle triangles, right? The one is larger and second one is smaller, right? So using Pythagoras theorem on the larger right angle triangle, first of all, we are taking larger right angle triangle. Why we are taking larger right angle triangle? Because the value of this side is given, hypotenuse is given, base is given, and this side is not given because it is 3c centimeter and 4c centimeter. First of all, similar like part A, we have to find the value of C, then we can find the value of this side. Okay, smaller right angle triangle. By using Pythagoras theorem, put the value, right? Hypotenuse value put, then this is opposite side and base. Take a square, similar, solve the bracket first. Similar steps you have to follow. Let me explain only the first part, that is important and difficult, that the remaining parts are the same. First of all, add them. 3 plus 4 is 7, c square, and 25 का स्क्वायर और 39 का स्क्वायर. इन्हें हमने रीअरेंज करना है. ठीक है, जो वैल्यू फाइंड करनी होती है उसको इज इक्वल टू किस तरफ रहते हैं, ये वाला इधर चला गया, हमने इसको इस तरह लिख लिया. प्लस 25 स्क्वायर बिकम नेगेटिव क्योंकि हमने इसको मूव करा इज इक्वल टू किस तरफ. Now similarly take the square and then add them, sorry, subtract them and take a root, and finally you get your answer. So what you have to do, you find the value of C. Now find the value of this D. Okay, in the second part you find the value of D using Pythagoras theorem of the smaller right angle triangle. ठीक है, तो आपका क्या बना स्मॉलर राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल के लिए? सेम यही वाला फॉर्मूला. ठीक है, डी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4c स्क्वायर प्लस 25 स्क्वायर. ठीक है, 4c स्क्वायर प्लस 4c इसलिए लिखा है कि ये वैल्यू है. वेयर इज 4c? ये. ठीक है, इसकी साइड यहाँ तक है सिर्फ. वी आर टेकिंग द स्मॉलर राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. स्मॉलर साइड इसकी वन साइड 4c है, सो जस्ट राइट द 4c. सिर्फ c की वैल्यू नहीं लिखी, 4 भी लिखा है बिकॉज वैल्यू है उसकी 4c. नाउ ये स्टेप है, यू कैन डू दिस स्टेप इन द रफ वर्क. 4c सॉल्व किया है, 4c की वैल्यू पुट करें, ये वाली वैल्यू पुट करेंगे आप. ठीक है, इनको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और स्क्वायर लेंगे तो यू गॉट द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस साइड. ठीक है, यू कैन डू दिस स्टेप एज अ रफ वर्क और दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. ठीक है, आफ्टर टेकिंग दिस, ठीक है, ये वैल्यू आपने यहाँ ही लिखी और 25 का स्क्वायर किया, दैट इज 625. ठीक है, एड देम, तो ऐड किया, what you get answer, that is this. Now taking root on the both sides, and after taking root your answer will be 30.3. Hope it's clear to you.